Hey guys, and welcome to today's video in this deep learning model of the day series. In this video here, we're going to look at AI generated art with DALL-E 2. But first of all, remember to hit the subscribe button and bell notification under the video. And also, you can always become a member of the channel or a patron if you have some problems in your own projects. I can help you out and give some guidance. So thank you guys. So we're gonna jump into this Hugging Face space where we're basically going to use the DALL-E 2 mini model. So it's basically just like a mini model of the DALL-E 2. So it's just called DALL-E mini. And then basically we can just generate AI art by throwing in a prompt. So we can basically just pass in whatever prompt we want to have here. And then we can just run it and it will generate a bunch of images of the prompt that we have actually like passed into the model. So basically we take a prompt, pass it into a model, and then it will generate art based on that prompt that we throw into it. Here I basically just have this notepad with a bunch of different kind of prompts that we can try out. So I'm just going to copy paste this prompt and then we're just going to throw it into a model and then we can run it. And then let's see the results afterwards. So here we can see the results from the generated images with this prompt. So an abandoned castle in a field. We can see we have a field in all these images here, and we also have like some kind of castle that is abandoned. It kind of looked like some ruins. But this is actually like a really nice model. Again, it's a small model, so it's DALL-E 2 mini. So it's not like compared, like the outputs here are not comparable to DALL-E 2 and also Stable Diffusion, which we're going to cover in another video. But this is nice results. We get all the variations. We actually like get what we threw into the prompt. So thank you guys for watching this video here. And again, remember to hit the subscribe button and bell notification under the video, or else I'll just see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.